Today, we are back in the highly anticipated community of the Fields in Frisco to tour some of my favorite floor plans that Britton Homes has to offer. If you're not familiar with the Fields, please check out my video tour of the community. I'll post it here at the top of the screen, or you can find the link in the description box below. Hi, my name is Michelle Modesto, and I'm with Keller Williams North Country. I've been in the Frisco area for over a decade. If this is your first time on the channel and you want to know everything about living in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market here in North Texas. Okay, let's get this tour started. The first home we're going to look at is Design 561A from Britton Homes. It sits on a 60-foot lot. It's 4,221 square feet with 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, a game room, a media, and an office. Now, I had a little camera malfunction. That's why this video is more vertical than horizontal, but this is the amazing office in this floor plan. Okay, so on the opposite side of the office is your first bedroom with attached bathroom downstairs. This will make a great space for guests, in-laws, or an older child. All right, so let's go back into the main hallway and we'll take a look at the kitchen and the living room. As you can see, they have the sliding doors that open almost all the way up from the living room into the patio outside, making it feel like this area is huge and you have a really amazing living space inside and outside. And this model has the covered patio with a fireplace and a little kitchen. Beautiful. And as you look up from the fireplace inside, you can see that there is tile work all the way to the ceiling where the beams are. What a gorgeous room. And you can see the dining room kind of separates the living from the kitchen. And above the kitchen is a little Juliet balcony into the upstairs hallway. Here you've got a huge industrial-sized fridge with what is a wine cooler built in next to the fridge, which is amazing. At the island, you have your sink, a dishwasher, and looks like these are warming drawers for foods if you're preparing for a party. Oh no, never mind, this is the microwave. And this is an extra warming drawer. Beautiful. You have more of the light wooden cabinets. And going back to the island again, you also have the waterfall on the island, which is absolutely fantastic. Huge. I believe this is a 48-inch maybe oven and range. This is definitely a chef's kitchen. Tons of cabinet space. The cabinets go all the way to the ceiling. And you have a wonderful, wonderful area right here of extra cabinet spaces with the glass fronts. Look at that view from the kitchen into the living room. Absolutely gorgeous. Next to the kitchen, you have the primary guest suite. Beautiful bedroom overlooking the backyard. And the bathroom is absolutely amazing. You've got your separate vanities, a soaking tub, large closet, and that frameless walk-in shower. Okay, let's go back through the bedroom into the main living area and take a look at the rest of the house. All right, before we go upstairs, let's take a quick look at the pantry and the washer and dryer. The laundry room is on your right. There's a sink in there. Pantries across the hall. Very large pantry, great for storage. All right, so let's go and take a look upstairs. We'll go check out the game room and the media room and the other secondary bedrooms. As you can see, the stairs split right here. You can go right or left, so let's go right first. And to your left, you can see down below into the main living and dining. And then straight ahead, you have a beautiful game room. And to your left is the media room, which is open to the game room. All right, so to the right of the game room, you have one of the first secondary bedrooms. On the right, in this little hallway, you have your full bathroom, and it's got a tub shower combo. And then to the left of the bathroom, you have your first of your secondary bedrooms. It's very cool. You step 2 steps down. It's a large room overlooking the front yard, and it has a huge window seat in it. A lot of character in this room. I love the different ceiling heights in the window seat. So different. All right, let's go check out the other secondary bedrooms across from the game room. This house is enormous. On the left side, you can see down to the living room again. And if you go straight, you have a full bath on your left. And there's a door we pass through, so this is a very private area. So this would be great for guests up here as well. Decorated very well. And each of these bedrooms has a walk-in closet. And you can see this one right here. Okay, let's go back across the staircase to the other side of the stairs, and we will check out what's on that side of the house. Look at those lights. I just love those lights. The chandeliers are gorgeous. Sorry, I had to stop. Okay, so I'll follow you. Let's go ahead and go across the other staircase. And here you have your third secondary bedroom upstairs. This one also overlooks the front of the house. And it also has its own full bathroom. With a tub shower combo behind the door. All right, so now we're coming from the last secondary bedroom back down the stairs right here. There's 3 stairs. As you can see, that landing over there goes to the main part of the upstairs. And then here's the staircase down. Very unique and very pretty. All right, so this Britton model is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, just under 2,500 square feet. Starts around 1.2 million. As you enter this house, you have a full bedroom bathroom on your left, and then you have the sales office on your right. The sales office will eventually be the garage once they convert this model home into a regular home. Let's go check out the full bathroom and bedroom first on your left. Beautiful windows overlooking the front yard. It also has the black window frames. All right, so let's take a look at the bathroom. And this bathroom has a walk-in shower, which makes it really nice for your older guests who might need a walk-in shower and a bedroom downstairs, so they don't have to climb the stairs. And the nice part about the closet in this room, which this room could honestly be a media if you needed more of a media. That's how they have it set up right now. Or it could be an office. And this closet already has shelves in it. So if you use this in a media room or really an office, it's a great place to store files or movies and entertainment as far as like video games. It's a great place to store everything you need for this room. I love versatile rooms like this because you never know how a family needs to use the home. For us, well, we probably need both, but we might convert one of the bedrooms instead into an office and use this as a secondary media room. All right, so let's keep going down the hallway into the kitchen. Got a large kitchen area, very large island with your sink and your dishwasher in the island in the middle. Now, Britton Homes, which a lot of homes don't have anymore as far as new construction, are dining areas. They did incorporate dining areas in both these model homes, which I personally love. Sorry, I keep stirring my microphone, but I personally love it. Most people don't use dining areas, but our family does. So if you didn't use this as a dining area, it'd be nice just even as an open space, or you could put a smaller table here as well. This home also has the sliding glass patio doors that open up most of the way, so you can enjoy living in and out. And it includes, yes, a little putting green on this model. The PGA headquarters is part of this development, so you'll see a lot of references to golf, and rightfully so. They're pretty proud of having the PGA here with them now. All right, let's take a look at the primary suite, which is right here next to the living room. It also overlooks the backyard, and it has a vaulted ceiling, and it's really good size for a home that's under 2,500 square feet and 1 story. In fact, I think this bedroom is actually bigger than the model next door that was over 4,000 square feet. Let's take a look at the primary suite bathroom. They also incorporated a wonderful soaking tub. And you've got dual vanities, one on each side as you enter the bathroom. And you've got beams on the ceiling, huge mirrors, really big mirrors, blue vanities. And then you've got your walk-in shower on that side, and your walk-in closet. And they incorporated the tile in the walk-in closet, which is really great. Oh, actually there's double closets, I forgot. There's a closet on this side too. You have your own access to your own closet. All right, let's walk through the kitchen to get one more closer look at it. We've got stainless steel appliances here, and they've got a double oven here in the kitchen, which I love. It's probably an upgrade, I'm not sure, but it's definitely an upgrade I would recommend. We've got a 6-top gas cooktop, and this is Feels Like, which is I think it's that leathered granite, or it could be quartzite. It's really pretty, very pretty. Big, huge, deep sink. All right, so let's go to the hallway in the middle of the home. On your left, you have a full bathroom. And then coming out of the bathroom, continuing down the hallway, on your right, you have a hall tree. You've got storage on the bottom. You can store shoes down there. You can drop your backpacks here, purses. It's a great place to drop everything and have a place to put it, and not like on your kitchen island in the middle of the home. And at the end of the hallway, we have 2 bedrooms, one on the right and one on the left. The bedroom on the left has a window facing east. It also has a really nice sized walk-in closet. And then let's go across the hallway and see the last of the 4 bedrooms. And this one has a window that faces south, the front yard. Or no, I lied. It faces east as well. Never mind. They definitely have a golf theme in here match the PGA headquarters. Britton Homes is located in the first section of the Fields that is currently open, which is called Brookside South. Now they have started construction in Brookside North. There's one builder coming in there, and they're starting those model homes right now. There's also a third section as far as the living areas of the neighborhood, and the third section is going to be called the Preserve. Now the Preserve is a gated community, and it is definitely the luxury end of the Fields. Those homes will be in the multiple millions, and they will have golf course lots that are backing up to the PGA headquarters. Those lots are amazing, and they're a little on the pricey side, but if that's what you're looking for, definitely check out those lots. The Fields is in the highly rated Frisco Independent School District, with students currently attending Newman Elementary, Trent Middle School, and Panther Creek High School. For more information about what the Frisco Independent School District has to offer, you can visit friscoisd.org. Thanks so much for joining me today, and please let me know in the comments below what you think of these model homes in the Fields by Britton Homes. If you would like more information about the Fields or the city of Frisco, please contact me. I would love to hear from you. All my information is in the description box below. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.